So my lovelies, this week we're gonna do a quick and easy furniture makeover. As you can see, this beautiful metal glass top coffee table I got from Goodwill. It was just $11.99. I couldn't pass this amazing price, so I had to bring it home. This coffee table is well made. It has a great potential. That's why I bought it. As of now, I don't know what color I'll be using to paint this coffee table, but I'm debating between gold and black, so you guys will see later what color I'll be choosing. I couldn't wait to get this to see how this furniture turned out, so I brought it home and started working on it right away. I worked throughout the night to finish up this furniture. It took me at least 2 hours to finish it up, so I will let you guys go and watch this amazing video. But before I do that, let me start by saying hello my friends, hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Chic. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chic. Thank you so much for being here today, and to all my beautiful subscribers, thank you for being such an amazing supporter. I really appreciate you all. Please help me share my videos with your family and friends so they too can be inspired to do a quick DIY or a furniture makeover just like this one. Like I said earlier, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this amazing video.